What is a hypervisor? Why do we care in building automation? And how do you get it set up on your current Windows computer? So we care in building automation because sometimes there's older building automation software that will only run on older copies of Windows. So in that case, your current Windows operating system may not be able to run that software. We need to use a hypervisor. So VirtualBox is an example of that. There are two types of hypervisors. Type 1 is a computer with no operating system on it, so that allows full use of the hardware, so your CPU, RAM, etc. A Type 2 is a computer with an operating system on it, and that shares the resources between your virtual machine and your original operating system. So this is most likely what you're going to be using. You're going to have a current Windows computer, you want to run an older Windows on it, you have to share the hardware between the two. In my case, I have a Windows 64-bit. If you want to know what you have, just go down to the taskbar down here, type in About, click on About Your PC. You can see that I have a 64-bit. The next thing you need to know is, what do you have for a processor? In my case, I have an Intel processor, and you need to get that processor BIOS set up so you can do virtualization technology for Intel. If it's an AMD processor, then you have to do this AMD-V. So I have a Windows 11 computer. I have a ThinkPad Lenovo. And to get into the BIOS, as the computer's starting or restarting, I have to hit the hotkey F1. Yours is going to be different. There's some type of way to get into your BIOS, so you're going to have to research that. So now this is a picture of getting into it, the first part of it. So I have the config, then I go to the CPU, and then I just need to, under the CPU, I need to make sure that this Intel hyperthreading technology is turned on. So this setting enables additional CPU threads, so that allows me to do a virtual machine. Last but not least, you need to have a legit copy of that Windows operating system that you need so you can install it on that virtual machine.